What's happening, y'all? It's your boy, Road Boy Plucky, and I'm back up under the hood. So, boom. Y'all already know what that is. No spark, no start. So, we're gonna take that cap off and get that, just strip out of cause I gotta retime it. I'm gonna take the valve cover off, stop being lazy. So, let's get into it. First, take these screws off the cap, which is fairly easy. If you got the right screwdriver, I would say. Turn it, because I already had the distributor loose. Because I knew I was going to bring my ass back out here to change this. Ooh, that's a damn mother shut your mouth. I should have unhooked the battery. But, oh well, it's dead anyway. Fuck it. Okay. Let's take this road off. Okay, I should have got a screwdriver instead of flathead. Yep, and that's what I'm gonna do. Y'all give me one. Right back. Shit. Got my stubby boy, he always come in handy. You never know how much I use this damn screwdriver. Loosen it up. Now you're gonna wanna keep them bolts in place. It's gonna be a cold day in hell if you drop them motherfuckers. Ooh, I'm feeling a lot of resistance. Okay. Boom. Ooh. Rest there, rest there. Still hit it with the lube, but you know what? I ain't even gonna worry about that right now. But I'm gonna tell you what I am gonna do. I am going to get me the smallest wrench. Excuse my Frenchie. My bad, y'all. I had to pop the huskies out. Got the little adapter with the little extension, you know. Y'all don't talk about my husky tools. I'm gonna say this is a 1/4. So let's see if this is it. Yep, I guess it is. That rarely ever happens. I never grabbed the right damn socket I never grabbed the right socket. I never. Or it is just close as hell, one of the two. Okay. I ain't gonna drop these motherfuckers, so guess what? I'ma hold them with my dear life. Set them right there for the moment. But you know what? Fuck that. I guess I'm gonna take the distributor out. What should I? Let's see. What do I want to do? Nah, I ain't gonna take it out. Okay. Can't do it with 2 hands. But let's see if I can get you right there. Yeah. Gotcha. And I'm using the cap. Ooh. She don't want to come out. Sit y'all down because this here is gotten physical. Ooh. She do not want to come out. Okay, let me use this flat here. See if I can do that. Y'all, when I tell you this connected, oh, I broke it. This connector is so hard to take off. And then it's brittle. But I broke it, so oh well, fuck it. Try this way. Okay, I guess I'm gonna have to find some lubrication. Put some lubrication in the situation. That's my boy Puddin' say. Y'all, I'm sick as a dog. Okay. Okay, let's see what they do, y'all. Hope it do something. Boy, I tell you, this connector do not want to come the fuck out. Ouch. Okay, let's try it from the back. Let's try it from the back. Shit. Okay, now we gotta clean the surface, y'all. Got it out. It was a pain in the ass to get out. I messed around and messed up the damn connector, but shit, it'll be alright. Clean the surface. I do it with my finger. I don't give a damn. This one is soap. This one. Okay. Here it goes. Oh yeah. And if y'all wanna know, it's a stock GM piece. Here go the part number. Now 9 times out of 10, y'all, if y'all not having spark, that probably would be the reason why. Hold on, let me put it down, cause my hand is greasy as hell from that damn WD. Man, this shit looks like a toaster strudel pack. Look, yeah, we gotta put it on there. You don't want to put it on there dry, y'all. If you do, you gonna burn it up. Yeah, it's gonna be running right back to Rise, AutoZone, or anywhere else they selling it. It's called dielectric grease, I guess. I think that's what it's called. Now you're gonna lubricate it real good. Okay, then put it on there. Cause they'll burn up. I guess mine just said it had enough. It had enough, god damn it. Put it down here. A little extra cogs. Okay, that shit is thick. Okay. Since my connector broke, I'm gonna have to try to finesse it on there. Hold on, let me try to take it out one more time. Nope. So you try it again. You don't want to go on, but I'm gonna make it go on, god damn it. Got it. Okay. Got our bolts. Nice miles here. And that's it. Now, if y'all want to see me tap, I'm gonna need y'all to drop that down in the comment section, cause it's really easy. I'm just gonna go ahead and tighten it. kill it. Now, what Mr. Stuff here? Where you at? Oh, here you go, here you go. God damn, boy, these hitters. Then my hand in my way, I could barely see. Okay. Now let's see if I'm gonna take the damn valve gasket off of that. I mean the valve covers. I don't know why I say gasket. No, I do not want to take it off. But if it's not right, I will take it off and try it again and try to retime it. But y'all, that's it. Y'all have a good one.